First exercise says evaluate. What is that you have to evaluate? Sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. How to solve this problem? Sin 60 value, if you see the table, it is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 30, if you see it, it is again root 3 by 2. Sin 30, if you take it, it is 1 by 2. And cos 60, if you take it, it is 1 by 2. So if you simplify it further, root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So this, if you solve it, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 divided by 4 is how much? 1. So this exercise is all about putting the values from the table. And I have told you the systematic technique of how to write the table, how to get the answers. Write the numbers in increasing order from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide it by 4. Take the square root of it. And then you will get the complete table. But I remember all the values now, so I need not use the table. But in the beginning, you can use that table. So now here it is 2 tan square 45. 2 tan square 45. Tan square 45, we have to put the values here and then let us see what we can get. See here, tan 45 is 1 by root 2. So 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square. Tan 45 is 1 by root 2. So tan square 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square. Cos 30 is, just now we have done it here, cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 whole square. Sin square 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square. So this, if you simplify, then 2 into 1 by root 2 square is 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 square, if you take it, this is 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 cancels. So this is 2 into 1 by 2, and 2 into 1 by 2 means how much? 2 cancels. So what is that? I am going to get 1. So if I simplify this problem, I am going to get 1. Let us see how we can solve the third problem. See here, if at all I have to solve the third problem, I will have to write all the values. See here, cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is how much? 1 by root 2. Sec 30. Sec 30 means cos 30, just now we have done it. See here, try to link what we have learned. See, cos 30 just now I have learned. We have told you that it is root 3 by 2. So if I want sec 30, then what I will have to do is, I have to write it as 2 by root 3. It is cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 is 2 by root 3. Cosec 30, just now children I have written cosec 30. Sin 30, just now I have written. Sin 30 is how much? 1 by 2. Cosec 30 is reciprocal of it, that is equal to how much? 2 upon 1. So this, if you simplify, children, what I am going to get is 1 by root 2. Here root 3 will be the LCM in the denominator. In the denominator, root 3 will be the LCM. So this into root 3 I will write. So this will be equal to how much? 2 plus 2 root 3. What I am going to get? LCM, if I take it, it is 2 plus 2 root 3. Then again, if you just cross multiply, what is that? I am going to get 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. So this, if you simplify, children, what is that you are going to get? Root 3 divided by 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2. 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2, and 2 into root 3 is 2 root 6. Now children, if you see one thing here, whether it is the first problem, whether it is the second problem, whether it is the third problem, after putting the trigonometric values of the trigonometric angles, the rest of the things is the basics that you have studied in class 8th and 9th standard. एक बार वैल्यू डाल दिया आपने, तो ये LCM कैसे लेना है, प्लस कैसे करना है, ये आपने 6th 7th में सीखा है. ये भी आपने सीखा है. रैशनलाइजिंग द डिनोमिनेटर, ये लास्ट ईयर 9th स्टैंडर्ड में आपने सीखा है. तो यहाँ पर सिर्फ क्या है, cos 45 की वैल्यू 1 बाय रूट 2, sec 30 की वैल्यू 2 बाय रूट 3 और ये 2 बाय रूट 3, इतना याद रखोगे तो आपका बाकी का जो है वो सफ़र आसान होगा. इट इज़ वेरी easy journey. Now this is how to rationalize it. Now you know, in order to rationalize, the method that was told to you in your class 9 standard was, what you do is 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. This you have to rationalize, and rationalization means what? 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 divided by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. This what I have done is 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 is there, so I have rationalized it. यहाँ पर माइनस मैंने ले लिया, तो इसको आप इंटू करोगे बच्चों, तो दिस इज 2 इंटू 2 रूट 3 इंटू 2 रूट 2, रूट 3 इंटू 2 रूट 2 इज 2 रूट 6, रूट 3 इंटू 2 रूट 2 इज 2 रूट 6 माइनस 2 रूट 18. दिस इज हाउ मच? 2 रूट 3 इंटू रूट 6 is root 18, and this is a plus b, a minus b. So this will be equal to first term square minus second term square. That means how much? 2 root 2 square and 2 root 6 square. So this, if you try to simplify, what is that you are going to get? 2 root 6 minus this 18 can be written as 9 into 2. 18 can be written as 9 into 2, and this is 2 root 2 square. 2 root 2 square means what? 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. You know children, it is very well that 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 is equal to 4 into 2, and that is equal to how much? 8 minus 2 root 6 into 2 root 6. 2 into 2 is 4, and 4 into 6 is how much? 24. So this, if you simplify, you will get 2 root 6 minus this is 2 into 3 is how much? 6. 6 root 2 divided by minus 16. Minus 16. Suppose if I decide to take minus 2 common, then what will happen is this will become plus here. So 2 3s are 6. 3 root 2 minus root 6 divided by minus 16. Minus cancels with minus, 2 1s are 2, 2 8. So what I want to tell you is, trigonometry part is only this much, rationalization part is there. In my upcoming videos I am planning to take up the revision of rationalization of denominators. So